Hey everybody, it is Big Philexp coming at you. Summer salads continues. I ain't sick of them yet. I'm getting there. So I decided to go kind of fancy today. Now I'm not sure how fancy this is, but Wendy's apple pecan chicken salad. Got this fancy pomegranate vinaigrette, fairly low calorie. I mean, vinaigrette should be. I make a full and a half size. Full size is $7, half size is $5. Alright. Apple pecan chicken salad. Alright. Oh, it says it's made fresh. If it was made fresh, it wouldn't need that sticker on there telling you what type of salad it is, would it? So I'm thinking it's made up this morning. Alright. Let me throw the chicken on there. Alright. It is supposed to have apples, pecans, cranberries, crumbles of blue cheese, which you know how I feel about my crumbled blue cheese. Alright. Here's my pecans. Here's some apples. Blue cheese. Alright. Smells quite nice. Alright. Now, I've never really been much on salads that come with vinaigrettes or that have fruit on them. It's a little dainty for me, I guess. Is dainty a good word? I don't know. I want to say a little fruity for me, but that's kind of on the nose. It's about 700 calories, I think, for all this. 600-700 with both packets of dressing. It's not too good by itself. But I think when I get a bite of apple, here, let me get all fancy for you. There we go. Whew. Just like in a fancy restaurant, except for it's coming out of a packet. It's good size salad. Mixed greens. I mean, I don't feel like this is any more expensive than anybody else's. It's got Granny Smith apple on there. Best I can tell. It's green. I'm not an apple connoisseur, so, you know, I really don't know for sure. Alright. Some kind of mixed greens, like a spring mix. You know, kind of fancy. Their chicken looks really good. I tell you now, that chicken. I lost a piece of spinach. Chicken with the blue cheese. Now, I'm sure you could ask for any type of dressing you want to. But with their salads, they have like a new Parmesan, Caesar. They have the taco, which, if I get some free calories, I may try that one. Alright, y'all can't tell this, but I have slung dressing on my glasses. There's a whole bunch of weird rabbit food on this fork here. So. Alright. Here's a piece of the apple. There's some of the cranberry. I don't mind fancy lettuces. I am just kind of an iceberg fan. But some of this stuff really looks like it should be in a rabbit's cage. This dressing is very good. I misjudged it early. I apologize for that. Sorry, Wendys. Alright, I got some pecan, cranberry, apple, blue cheese, spinach. Can I get chicken on there? Oh, I didn't need that big a piece of chicken. Alright, gotta get a little messy. Alright, I got everybody on there. Man, that's fantastic. That is just fantastic. cherry vanilla Coke Zero. Not so fantastic. All right, you guys, if you want something different, this is the salad for you. I mean, could you use more pecans? Sure. But I'm digging apples. That chicken is very good. Spring mix is nice. I love the blue cheese. I'm loving this. I know that's a McDonald's catchphrase, but I don't know Wendy's catchphrases. Alright, last bite of rabbit food. Apple pecan chicken salad. Highly recommend it. Highly recommend it from Wendy's. This is just unique and delicious. Take the rest of it home now. Just my meal for the day. They'll sub it out with different types of chicken if you want to. You know, the breaded chicken obviously adds more calories. I don't know if you'd want it breaded chicken. Sounds kind of weird. Alright, y'all. Apple pecan chicken salad. Get the full size. The half size seems like a rib off for $5. When you get a full size for $7. Alright, y'all. Take care. Please support my healthy eating habits. I'm trying. Alright, everybody take care. God bless y'all.